Have you ever looked at Chinese characters and wondered, what are these crazy looking boxes? And when you first study in Chinese, especially its writing, it can seem very daunting. There are so many strokes and so many components to it. To the unknowing eyes, Chinese characters may seem like a collection of lines and boxes, but they are not just random strokes. Each character carries deep meaning. You just need to know how to interpret them. That is why today we are going to look at Chinese radicals, 部首, to learn about what Chinese radicals are and why they are important. So, what is a Chinese radical? Chinese radical is a part of a character. Chinese characters are usually made up of various components, and a radical is a key component because it usually indicates its meaning or sometimes sound. Here are more reasons why it is important for you to learn. First, by learning Chinese radicals, it will enable you to recognize characters faster. Second, it'll be easier for you to tell or guess the meaning of a character. And third, there is only a finite amount of radicals. Also, the simple radicals are characters themselves. So, learning radicals is not so much of a detour. In fact, it's a worthwhile investment of time. Let's give you some more examples. Think about Chinese characters like Lego blocks. They are built part by part. Usually one part represents the meaning and the other pronunciation. There are some basic characters that can stand alone, like 水 for water, 心 for heart, and 口 for mouth. Others are built from left to right, like the word 好 for good, which depicts a mother with a child, symbolizing goodness or happiness. Some are built from top to bottom, like the word for grass, which has the radical for grass at the top and the word for early, 早, at the bottom, which gives it its pronunciation. And others are written with outside in, like the word for stuffy, 闷, sorry, this is a typo, which has a heart with a door, symbolizing a person feeling muggy and trapped behind closed doors. In fact, Chinese characters and radicals evolved from early pictograms that are found on oracle bones, which can be dated back to 1200 BCE. Here's are more examples about how some of the radicals evolved with time from ancient time to the modern times. Take a look at 日 for sun, 木 for tree, 水 for water, and 田 for field. See, isn't it interesting? Now, are you ready to learn more Chinese radicals? Let's go!